those late night lectures that I give her for standing up for herself are finally working. What is that, Days Days?
You got a picture?
What is that, Days Days?
And he's like, I'm going to help me.
Look at her. I need out.
I'm so afraid.
Take me out.
It's an attack guinea pig.
They're gonna eat me. They're gonna eat me. Let me out.
They're both here. Oh, jeez.
They're gonna start eating me.
We can't handle it. You're too scared.
They were where I thought they were. They're behind me, aren't they? Oh my God, there's another one.
She's like, please let me out.
Look at the guinea pigs. Don't be scared.
Go say hello to them.
She likes Lola.
They need give me kisses.
Just turn her around.
No, I didn't want to.
Just have to force her to do it.
Here, I'll move this so you can sit on the bed.
Cassie.
You're trapped in there.
Cassie.
Freedom! Free the dog! It's a problem.
And then she's going to be crying and trying to get
Ha.
back in 2 minutes.
And the pig has chased away the dog.
There's Days.
Hooray! Oh.